We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English whose pronunciations aren't easy to guess. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So there are two different ways of saying this word. In British English it is normally pronounced as tumor, with a tu sound here, an emphasis on the first syllable. Tumor in British English. In American English, however, it is normally said as tumor, tumor, so a tu sound here and a mer sound, very American sound. Tumor in American English versus tumor in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.